Namaskar. Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us try to understand the importance and growth of print media in India. Print media is the oldest form of mass communication media in the world. It includes newspapers, weekly and monthly journals, etc., that carry information and news from all over. Mr. James Augustus Hickey was the pioneer in Indian journalism who started the first weekly in 1780, the Bengal Gazette. Mr. Hickey fought with the British Indian government for the liberty of press and was imprisoned. Then Bengal Gazette was closed in 1782. Raja Ram Mohan Rai fought for freedom of press against British Indian government. He founded and edited a Bengali journal called Samvad Kaumudi, one of the earliest Indian newspapers edited by Indian. A brief history. Indian Press Act 1910 imposed several restrictions of the news printing and publishing units. Associated Press of India was established by K.C. Roy in 1905. Only after independence, print media was able to survive in India. Indian press and journalism developed after the implementation of Indian Constitution that assured freedom of expression. The most notable event in Indian journalism is formation of Press Trust of India (PTI). PTI was established on 27th August 1947 with its headquarters at New Delhi. PTI took over the Associated of Press of India from Reuters and assumed the responsibility of supplying news to the papers. PTI is a non-profit organization and its membership is open to all newspapers in India. PTI is the largest news agency which is having almost all the news agencies as members in it. PTI provides news coverage and information in English and Hindi. PTI is the only news agency in South Asia to operate its own communication satellite to broadcast news and information. Legal acts in India. Government of India passed the following acts with regard to press in India. Delivery of Books and Newspapers Public Libraries Act 1954, Working Journalists Conditions of Services and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1955, the Newspaper Price and Page Act 1956, Parliamentary Proceedings Protection of Publication Act 1960, the Press and Registration of Books PRB Act 1867. According to this act, every newspaper publication should be registered with the Registrar of Newspapers, popularly known as RNI. The Office of Registrar of Newspapers for India was established on July 1, 1956. Some facts about print media in India. RNI was established on the recommendation of First Press Commission of 1953. The functions of RNI involve both statutory and non-statutory functions. United News of India was incorporated under Companies Act and started functioning from 21st March 1961. Press Council of India was established in 1966 by the Parliament on the recommendations of First Press Commission of 1953. Audit Bureau of Circulations India ABC certifies and audits the circulation of major publications including newspapers and magazines. The National Readership Survey and the Indian Readership Survey merged and formed Readership Studies Council of India. There is a brief test here, just you go through it That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.